Banish black mold, breathe easy. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about black mold. Black mold is a type of fungus that can cause your immune system to react. Common symptoms include sneezing, coughing, congestion, and eye irritation. It can also worsen asthma symptoms. Black mold is a dark green or black fungus that grows and spreads on materials that contain a lot of cellulose, including paper products, wood products, and drywall. It needs warm temperatures and moisture to grow and spread. It commonly appears in damp or water-damaged areas of your home, such as basements, showers, and windows. So, how do you find black mold? You can follow your nose and look for the musty scent of black mold to locate the source. A flashlight will help you inspect nooks, crannies, and dark corners. Before mediating the mold, you must also find the moisture source to address that issue. Now, let's talk about the health issues caused by black mold. Black mold can trigger symptoms of allergies like stuffy nose or coughing. People who are allergic to black mold may have symptoms immediately after spores come in contact with their bodies. If you have allergies, you can have allergy symptoms from the spores or microbial volatile organic compounds, MVOCs, produced by molds. Even if you don't have allergies, you can still experience irritation from MVOCs. If you have a weakened immune system, for example, from immunodeficiency disorders or medications that suppress your immune system, black mold exposure can also cause a fungal infection, mycosis, in your airways or other parts of your body. So, how do you get rid of black mold? You can remove the black mold yourself in many instances. Before removing the black mold, make sure to wear protective gear like a mask, gloves, goggles, and rubber boots. The black mold can then be killed and removed with bleach, distilled white vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, or borax. But before mediating the mold, it's important to find out the moisture source so you can address that issue, too. That's all for today's video. We hope this information was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so that you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.